How to make a bamboo flute. A bamboo stick, a drill, a marker, a ruler, a hot glue gun, a roll of tape, and a decorative rock. First, you'll begin making the holes for your flute. You'll make one hole at the top, following 8 holes on the bottom that are 1 centimeter apart. Then you'll grab your drill and begin making the holes for your flute. Then you will begin putting tape on your flute, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the end. Then you'll grab your hot glue gun and make a circle on the end of the side that has the biggest hole, and place your decorative rock on top. And this is what your flute should look like.